What's going on, Litecoin family? We're back again with another YouTube video. I want to start it off right now at the weekly time frame, just so you guys can see what is playing out. You guys can see here, Litecoin has a very big history of having a massive uptrend to the peak, all the way back down to almost where we took off from. Same thing happened here, but this time we came exactly to the same place where we took off from right here to right here. Same thing here, came to the top, and now we're just above where we came back from. Is it going to be a repeating history like this previous top, where we didn't get down to the exact bottom, but we came close? Is that the case? It could potentially be the case. Okay, nothing has to repeat itself directly. Nothing has to come back to the exact point where it started, which would take us to the $27 range. However, in my opinion, it is very, very possible that we could see Litecoin come down to 27 or even lower. Okay, and I want to say that because that's very, very controversial. People aren't going to like that, but it is a very big possibility. Now, if we zoom in, you can see where we currently are. My current target to break is $54, because I know that once we hit this level, that will potentially show us whether we want to get a bounce off this level to the top around $80, or if we're going to break this previous low and come back down to 41. Because if we do break this previous low right here, we're kind of in free fall for Litecoin until we get to $41. And then if we break 41, can't find support there, then yeah, we'll be in this danger zone for a while. But it's called the danger zone, but to me, it's called a dollar cost average zone, because I'll be buying, and not financial advice, but that's what I'll be doing anyway. But yeah, if you guys do want to join the general chat in our Discord and talk to our crypto members and other traders, then do that. It's completely free. And if you guys do like that, then you guys can start, you guys can upgrade to get signals, trend analysis, things like that. But yeah, do join the general chat. It's completely free. Links in the description down below. So make sure you guys do check that out. So as you can see, we're testing the 15 EMA as of right now on the daily time frame. What does this mean? Well, let me get rid of these. These are for our signals yesterday. So this is what I'm actually currently looking for right now for the very short time frame. So we currently broke this ascending resistance. We got to the target where we wanted to. As you can see, we broke out here, got to the target where we wanted to, and now we're retesting. Okay, we're retesting this level of support resistance. Sorry, at $65. Sorry. I do want to see a push higher. I really, really do, and I do want to see this simply because I want to get a nicer double top. This still does classify as a potential double top. Okay. Nothing's always perfect, so this does classify as a double top still. So what I'll be waiting for is this neckline right here to come down and see a retest at 61. Okay, if we do get rejected from this, then I'll short. 100% I'll short right there. However, we're also looking at a potential left shoulder, head, and a bigger right shoulder. Okay, so this is also in play. So, but if we do get above, if we push right here above the right shoulder, so if we get above this $66.66 level, that was very strange, 66.66. But if we do get above here, then this head and shoulders is cancelled. Okay, remember that, because we can't push above the right shoulder. Okay, so make sure you guys do know that. So we don't want to get above the shoulder. We want to come downwards now. But we are literally at resistance. We got rejected from the 50 EMA and the 15 currently. So if this does continue, then we're likely to see a big drop happen. Let me get rid of this. Because typically, after we spend time with the EMAs and we can't stay above them, we do have a big drop. If we test it and we can't get above it, or we just get rejected bigger, we get a big drop from it. Same thing happened here, and I'm expecting the same thing to happen here. So I'll be looking out on the shorter time frame to see what's actually happening with Litecoin. But yeah, it is kind of showing us that we could see a bigger drop as of right now, especially with this ascending sort of flag playing out. Yep, nice. And another one. Okay, didn't want that to happen, but yeah, like this. Ascending flag playing out, and we currently just broke it. And now we are retesting it. So this could be a nice short opportunity. So I will enter this live here. Obviously, I'm not going to put it into Bybit myself. But if you guys do want to join Bybit, do join down below. You guys get up to $1,000 if you like. If you guys do join and deposit $10, you guys literally get up to $1,000 for free. I'm not even joking. It's actually crazy. But yeah, so 62.86. I want a nice stop loss just above this here. And I will target down here. It will be a nice one-to-one trade. Okay, actually, we can lower that a bit, actually. That's where it will be. So that will be a nice trade right there. That's my current setup for this trade. And after the video, I will enter it straight away. Or maybe wait for a very slight pullback to get to around the high levels around up here, and then I'll enter it. So it's just so the risk to reward ratio is much higher. But you guys do get my exact entries if you guys do join the Patreon down below. So make sure you guys do check that out. And you guys get one-to-one calls. You get my exclusive videos of when I enter and why I entered the trades. So yeah, make sure you guys do check it out. But obviously, if we do start coming down further, then we'll just keep increasing our profits. So this is why it's good to get your first entry in perfect. And then keep moving your stop loss from here all the way down to here, to here, to here, to here. And then you're always in profits. If you're here and we don't hit your stop, we don't hit the profit down there, we reverse and go back up there, then at least we're out of the trade in profit very nicely. So make sure you guys do understand that, and that's very important, okay? Make sure you do trace your stop losses. But yeah, big thank you to you guys watching. If you guys did enjoy this short video, smash that like button. And guys, do remember this is a bearish pattern. So yeah, if we do break out of this, we will be seeing a big drop towards $60, okay? So do remember that. But we are following what the Dow is doing as well. So, you know, we have to always keep that in mind. If the Dow is pushing up, then we're going to start pushing up. But if you look at the DXY right now, it's looking like we could see a big pump. If we do, like hopefully, if we do get above this $102.6 level, then we will flip it support and start going on a big rampage to get to the previous highs where we did before. And I'll show you what I mean. It's got a 4-hourly time frame. So I want to see us get to the previous high right here. Because if we do get there, guys, I'm telling you right now, Bitcoin will be under 25k. Okay, if we do get back to 105, then Bitcoin will be, well, we got just under, if we get to 104, let's say 104, then Bitcoin will be under 25k. So yeah, I do want to see that happen. I want the dollar to gain a lot of strength, but I don't want this to be a big M pattern and we just come crashing down, okay? But that is also a possibility, by the way, and that could lead, and this downtrend right here could lead to the big bull run of 2022. Big thank you guys watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.